Now I will tell you how you can send your application to your friend and how he can open it in his mobile. So first of all, you have to go to the build. Then after going to build, you have to click on build bundles slash apks. Then click on build apks. Again, go to the build. Then go to the same section, build bundles apk, and now click alternative option, that is build bundles. You can see that my Gradle build is running. After finishing this, I will tell you what you have to do. So my app has been built. Now I will tell you what you have to do. So first of all, you have to go to the this PC. I will go to this PC. Here you have to select Windows C. In Windows C, you have to go to the users. Then from users to HP. And in HP, you have to search for Android Studio projects. You have to click here. Now if you have changed the default setting while downloading your Android Studio, so that Android Studio project directory can be located in some other drive, so you have to look after it. So after going to the Android Studio project, you have to search the name of your project. So the name of my project was Happy Birthday, so I will select Happy Birthday, then app, then build, then outputs, then apk, then debug, and then finally I will we have got app debug.apk and output metadata.json. So I will right click app debug.apk and I will copy it. Now I will paste it on desktop. So this file is basically your application. Now you can send this file via WhatsApp, or you can upload it to your drive and then send it to your friend, and he simply needs to click on this file, and your app will be installed. Okay, thank you.